How to convert RAR file to APK in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another tutorial, and on this video we will see how we can convert RAR file to APK in Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. In Android device, in order to convert RAR file to APK file, we will need an application that is RAR. Now to install that, open up a Play Store, and on the Play Store search for RAR, and then you can install this application. Once you install this application in your Android device, open up the application. After you open it up, make sure to allow the permission to access device, storage and files. After you allow the permission, you will have all these folders in your device. From here, you have to navigate to your RAR file. Currently, I don't have the RAR file in my device, but if you have it in your device, the steps that I am going to show is all similar. So, navigate to your RAR file and then select the file. Once you have selected your file, if you navigate to the menu bar at the top of this interface, there you will have a small icon with up arrow, that is the extract icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you will have a different extraction options. You can always change the destination path, and there are other options as well. And once it's done, simply tap on OK. After that, the file will get extracted, and then you will have the RAR file converted to APK. Now you can tap in your new APK file to install it in your device. So this is the way to convert RAR file to APK in Android, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.